Hi guys, so I have to share to you all my carrot. So good. Okay, so here is my carrot salad. Taste test. Mmm, so good. I miss this guys. Ngayon lang ako nakabili kasi palagi ko nakakalimutan. Mm. Eat your retinol. Mm. May natira sa may nayuto akong saging before guys and may natira. So here, hilog na sila. After my brunch, I'm going to eat this as panghimagas. So yeah. Napakasarap na ng carrot salad ko guys. Mm. Anyway, ito na yung hair ko guys, kinabukasan. And for you all to know, marami kasi nagchat sa akin guys na bakit raw ako nagpa-straight ng buhok, sayang daw yung curls ko, mga something ganyan. Bagay daw sa akin yung curls. Guys, hindi ako nagpa-straight ng hair guys, nagpa-treatment lang ako. So, Brazilian yung treatment ko. So, pero hindi talaga siya yung blowout. So, hindi siya straight guys, don't worry. Like, treated lang siya guys. Hindi na siya ganun ka-dry like before and ka-frizzy. Pero again, hindi siya straight like nagpa-rebond. Hindi ako nagpa-rebond guys. Nagpa-color lang ako and then nagpa-treatment. Anyways, I'm going to share that vlog sooner. But for now, huwag muna kasi busy ako. So yeah. Again, ito lang sinare ko guys. So, kain muna ako guys ng vlogs. Madali kasi ako. So, yan lang. Bye.